1511035 3485 Asdes 12405 13 person 1000 kilograms built in 2005 hydraulic Riam elevator generic. First floor. There is a lot of music here. Slow leveling. A little bit of a run. DMG BP Panzer. It's a Riam. Okay, so let's take a ride on it. Another ride. Then I will go up again, and then that's it. Oh, this is very slow up. I hope Schindler will replace it in the future. Okay, so I covered it because of copyrighted music, and then going up for the final time about this video. First floor, and that's it for this video. It is very slowly.